Task Manager is one of the most important features on Windows computer that a lot of users ignore completely. With Task Manager, you can improve how your system performs. You can improve how your system reacts to whatever you are doing currently or next you are opening your device. So in this video, I'll give you two important settings that you need to put in place, that you need to keep your eyes on whenever you're using your system for best performance, most especially Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, sometimes Windows 7. Guys, this is a game changer on how to improve your system using Task Manager's performances. All you have to do is to watch this video till the end. First, open the Task Manager on your device. Just right click on the start menu, click on the Task Manager here, or you can come to this place, you can click on Task Manager. As well, you can type Task Manager in the search bar here to have access to the Task Manager button. Just open it from either of the three settings I've given to you in this video. Now, the first thing you have to take a look at here is to come to this place that calls Startup App. This has a lot of influence on your computer. This determines how your computer boots out whenever you tap on the power buttons, whenever you start your computer. If there are so many apps that is running on startup here, your computer is going to take longer time before it really boots out on your device. That is why you need to take control and take charge of whatever apps that start whenever you tap on the start button on your computer. Some people use multiple hundred of apps, many apps here that is running whenever they open their system. So if any of these status is enabled and it's not for security, or it's not for memory, and it's not for processor, then always disable that. And doing so is very simple. Just click on whatever app you want to disable here, come to this place, you see enable, then click on disable spotting. This will disable such apps. Then you can just right click on any of that app like this, then you click on disable, then this will disable that app. You can come back to this place as well, right click and click on disable. This will disable that apps on your device. So with this process put in place on your device will start up perfectly and run very fast whenever you tap on the start button on your computer. The second settings that many people ignore is under performance. This performance is accessible when you use your computer and you open many tabs like the one you see on the base of the screen here. And sometimes if you have multiple tabs open on your device and it's lagging, the only way you can take control of that particular apps is using this what we call Task Manager settings. To achieve that, come over to this place where you see processor, click on it. But before we dive into that, let's come to performance here. Under performance, click on CPU, then take a look at what we have here. Under processor, we have about 251 here, 250, 251. Now go to the processor now and see one of the that we want to do in this video. The first thing is that this button is running, the settings button is running, you can see it here, and it's of no use right away, so you need to end this one. There's various ways you can end this task. The first thing is to click on it, then come to this button that says end task, click on it to end that task. This will first close that particular apps or program running in the background of your device that is causing your device to run slowly, or that causes your device to run to misbehaving or lag. Then the next one is this one, Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store is one of the features that I use mostly on my device, but now it's not in use. Now to disable this, you may just click and right click on it. Then once you right click, you have a lot of options here. End task is what we are taking a look at. Click on the end task. Once you click on the end task, within a very short time, this particular apps will disable, or will quit, or will shut out, or will forcefully remove from your background of your device. Then your device will run smoothly. Now if you have multiple ones that you are not using here, just try as much as you can to end the task. So you kill all these. So once you kill all these, then your device will run very fast. Now let's go back to the performance and see what we just operate. You can see that the processor has run down to 202 or 203, within a very few seconds. I will just disable or end some important background apps on our device. So this is one of the best way to make use of taskbar to improve the performances on your laptop. So if you enjoy what I've explained and you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more important videos like this. See you soon, guys, on our next video.